So checking the lace to see how we're going to place it after we put the gum. So the first thing we do is to put our uhu gum on all the blades. Can you see how we're doing it on each of them? Just at the corners round, then up that tiny sticks, the tiny blade rather. So like that, and it starts drying. So that's the last blade. After we're done, we'll wait for a while, just little, for it to dry a bit so that it doesn't stain the material. Because if you put it immediately, it will stain the material. So now we're placing the material on top of the blades, the hand fan skeleton. You are squeezed on the hand fan skeleton. So it's perfectly straight. You press it well, like so. After you're done, you turn it around and you start cutting, following the line of the blade. Can you see what I'm doing? So you cut that side like that, then you cut the side following the curve. You make sure you're just at the tip of those thin blades. Don't give it a long distance. If you leave some material above those blades, when you're flipping your fan, you would notice that one will be saying how are you on its own without the fan, and you don't want that. You want everything to move together. Going to repeat the same action on the back. The next thing is to get your cord. Now the cord you saw that we're going to use is this fat cord. So with this big cord, we can actually fold it to cover the two sides. So you either use this or you can use the slimmer ones. Those slimmer ones, what you do is you place it on the top side, take it round, like you will see us taking this one round. But after you have done that top side, you turn the back side and also do the same. But for this, we're going to be folding. And now we're going to do that middle part there. So you cut out a piece that would cover from the front to the back. It would curve on top. You know, that place kind of climbs up, sort of like a wave. So can you see how we're wrapping it from the front? That's the front. And to the back. You take note that where you have that gold color on the white on the blade, that's the front. So that's where you'll be using to make your front design. Work is creativity. Your creativity will make you stand out. So you just think out of the box what you can use and create your own design.